everybody, it's me Michaela, and today I'll be doing the character squishy tag. And I know the lighting is really bad and my phone can't really focus, so yeah. So here is the light tag that So the first question is, okay, not exactly question, but the first one is happy/excited. So I have 3 for this. So first is the body holder. And this is just so soft and squishy. And then there's like the Bredo story. I mean, it comes in every Bredo, right? I'm not sure. And I love this a lot. This is my favorite. One of my favorites. So yeah. And then for excited, no, this is actually still a smiley face. So I have this rabbit. And this is really cute. So here is the strap. And I believe there are other designs like this. So yeah. And lastly for happy, I have this. Actually, I believe this is rather like excited, so I don't know. But this is definitely happy because it's a smiley face toy. So it's really squishy. Next is emo or sad. So I think they're both emo. So yeah. So I have this Coriola-Kuma. I don't know, is it wearing a bunny hat? Okay, I don't know. But yeah, it's just a Coriola-Kuma. And the eyes, that's why I called it emo. And this is licensed by Senex. So yeah. And then I also chose this Rilakkuma pancake. So it can actually tape. And yeah, this is really cute. And then next is Moody/Mood Swing. So for this one, I chose my Best School Princess or Best School in a Princess suit. So soft. And for this, I saw a lot of people choosing Best School, which is kind of true because they don't really have an expression, they're just like a bear. So yeah. And I'll be doing more squishy tags, so I hope you won't find them reading. And then I have this mini mascot also as the Moody or Mood Swing. After all, they have the same face. And then next is, sorry, let me find the questions. Quiet or shy? So for this, I really don't know what to choose. So I chose my Rilakkuma Dorayaki. So yeah, is it quiet? I don't know, but I don't really have much squishies, so it's pretty hard for me to choose. I mean, I have squishies, but I seldom have squishies that has expressions. Most likely are those bread pastries. So yeah. And next is Tomboy/Adventurous, which I completely just skipped this one because I don't know what to choose. So yeah. And we have Cool. So I'm not really sure if this is cool, but I just chose this. And this is one of my favorite shirts. So like, you know, soft and yeah. And next we have Girly. So I chose my Coriola-Kuma Stick Macaron. And the tag looks like that. So soft and squishy. And lastly, for the character squishy tag, I have Cute, which has to be my, sorry, I know I can't really see. Has to be my Rilakkuma holding a cooler, and this is just so adorable. And then the back has the Senex license. So that's all for my character squishy tag. I hope you enjoy. Bye!